Hey guys, welcome to Trade Engineer. So in this video I just want to discuss about gap down or up in the chart. So have you guys observed last two trading sessions, John 6th and 7th? So what you find? Basically what you identified from the charts. So if we use this chart, gap up or gap down in a proper way, how much we can benefit it? So when can we enter, and how many points, how many points are possible, and how many trades it how many chances it gives to trade in a day. So what was my experience in the last two trading sessions? I will explain. Hope this will help you guys to, if you guys find any this kind of gaps in future, you may get benefited. That's why I'm sharing you guys. So let's move to another slide. See, while I'm trading, I just drawing the lines. So I took screenshot from there on the day. I was about to explain on the day itself, but consecutively next trade also it was one was gap down, one was gap up. So I just thought of sharing this knowledge will helpful for the bank nifty traders, mostly the new beginners who doing bank nifty trade. So when you observe chart of John 6th trade, what you see here? So here the gap down, you can see clearly the gap down was there. Okay, after that it was moving downwards. Okay, and if you see there, it came forward. See, if it is a gap down, it continuously moving downward. It is in a downtrend. So if it is in downtrend, how would you know when it is going to be reversed? Basically, when it will reverse, if it is a gap up or a gap down, when it reverses. So if it is having a strong support, there was a one strong support at 37,100, around 37,100, 150 level. There was a good support. So the downtrend was not able to go further. So it was exhausted there. So it tried to move back again. So you guys might have doubt, like, does it go, where does it go? See, if anytime if you see gap up or gap down, if it breaks, if let's say in this case gap down was there, right? So gap down, the price level where it gap down occurs, it it support, it works as a resistance. So it will go there and come back again. So for gap up, it move uptrend, while it coming back, it works as a support. In gap down, it go downtrend, and when it coming back, the gap act as a resistance. So how we can use this gap up gap down in our trading? Let me show you John 7 trade as well. So on the day I took chart, okay, while trading. See, you can see on the day while opening, it opened gap up. Okay, it trend continued, and how would you know where it trend going to stop and it is going to pull back? So clearly we all know bank nifty trade guys, we all know that resistance is there at 3800. So it went there. It tried to move, above 3800 resistance level, but it was not successful. Buyers failed there, and sellers take the position. I mean, they gain the power, and the sellers start selling continuously. They hit, and so at some level it consolidated again, and it came back. At what level it came back? The gap where the gap was formed, right there, it took support, and it went further. I mean, it went back again. So I will show you that chart as well in the next slide. Okay, look at here. This is the Jan 7th trade. If you see, it opened a gap up and it covered little that gap. It took that gap as a support, and it moved again back. So whether it will move up or down after come pullback is based on the previous trend. If it is a downtrend, it will go back, and if it is uptrend, it will up move. Okay, so the next let me take you guys into trading with. So here I just drawn two trades, John's 6th one and 7th one. If you see here, gap down was happened, and it came down, and at support level, strong support level, it was not able to continue the trend, and it consolidated over there, and it came back, and the gap up was a support level, and you can clearly say that, and it came back again in the same way, uptrend, and came back, pullback happened, and support was the the gap was the support, and it pulled back again. So what is the point of talking here about gap up and gap down? So observe only on the 7th trade. Imagine I took the position. I will explain my experience. What was happened? I opened I was sitting at 9:15. I saw that gap up was there. Gap up open was there, and it was continuously hitting the high. Okay, sorry. So I'm just explaining you guys what will happen and how many trading opportunities it has given. If you see here, initially it has given opportunity to enter. Okay, so gap, if it I think 200 points gap, I think 150 100 points for gap up was there. So it moved further up to 600 points or 700 points, 600 above up points. So if you enter here while uptrending, see, there will be fake uptrend as well, fake gap up also there. So how would you know whether it is a fake uptrend or not? So while moving the chart, you place one volume bar as well. So if volume bar is supporting the uptrend, so that clearly indicates that it is a correct uptrend only. So you move with that uptrend, and where would you know that it is going to be pull back? So as I said, yesterday 38,000 was the resistance, good resistance level. So how would you know this that resistance is resistance is strong, and the bullish view is not continuing. So if you see little piece of the signals, we call them as a pin bars. If you see those pin bars, those are weak pin bars. So buyers are trying to buy, but there sellers are trying to gain the control. So there some consolidation will happen. See, if at resistance, if consolidation is happening, it's lagging there only, definitely that indicates that it is going to pull back. So uptrend going to come back. There you get the opportunity, good opportunity to enter. You if it is definitely it will come back for sure. So there you get opportunity. What action you need to take? So you need to take put option. If you take put option, so it will not, you see, as in you take put option, it will not directly fill that gap. Gap will be filled sooner or later. Sometimes it may take 1 or 2 days. I mean, in the same day it will not happen. Most of the time it will happen. If more volatility is there and huge volumes are there, it will definitely happen in the same day itself. Like this 2 days session was very interesting. So it directly within I think if you see 9:15 market open, 9:12 it hit the it just filled the gap. Within 3 hours only it filled the gap. This is a good opportunity. So when you if you have bought put, what 600 points are nearly it might 600 points down, in the sense you might have get 300 points at. So if you bought 50 say or 2 lots, 50 into 200, how much you get? Likewise, if you have 100 lots, how much you get? You might have get profited. That's what I'm trying to say. So I don't want to reveal my Jan 6th trading session. It was a terribly good amount of figure. I will share once my subscribers or some my well wishers supporters came in. So I will expose that amount which I got. You never imagine that how much amount I got. With less money I got golden opportunity. That's why I'm sharing you guys. So to get the, I think I shared in my video little amount of money with one session I got the same gap up gap down theory. So again you see one opportunity you got at price gap up, and one more opportunity you got while pulling back. So you might thinking like it is pulling back. To what extent it is going to pull back? So definitely the gap act as a support. It may go down nearer there, but it's a good support. Since then it moved upwards. So it's basically the trend how it was in the previous day that follows. So all I want to say is, if we use this gap up or gap down wisely, we will get lakhs of money with less investment. That's why I am sharing you guys. So important things to note is, First thing, you need to identify whether gap up is correct or trap by seeing the volume. And second thing is, you need to know where is the correct, if it is a gap up, where is the resistance. The resistance is going to break or it is going to pull back from there. You need to understand that. The main thing is resistance level. You need to sit there and you need to understand what is happening over there. If it is not, if it is lying over there, it is for some time. There is no price action is happening for see, if it is a strong resistance, no, I mean at resistance level the bullish view is still there. It will not take much time. It will hit with big candle and go up and up. So it will not lag there like this. So it's lagged there and it was trying to move upon the resistance level, but it was not succeeded. So you will get to know that if it is consolidating, it is not moving up under, it is not breaking the resistance level, then clear indication that is going to pull back. But after pullback, with some green candle comes in, you will fear of like it is again going to break. Never will happen. It will take time to pull back to gap where it is formed. You have to wait and see. If it is not, if it is the pullback, see, no need to come the price down to gap where it is priced. Half of the portion, if it pullback happen also, you will be benefited. Most of the time bank nifty is a more volatile thing, so it will definitely reach to the support gap and it will move further. So this we need to observe. At resistance level, we need to take put option. On Jan 7th there was opportunity to put option at resistance level. You would have get more benefited. On Jan 6th you would have take call option at a good support level of 37,150. You would have get benefited of 600 points. This is how we can make lakhs of money. But don't be aggressive. Just try this with 2 lots. What will happen? See, and one more thing I just want to add is, if you are if it is uptrending, it's moving upwards. What do you think about the put option premium? Imagine the trading is moving at 38,000. If you take put option at 37,500, what will be the amount of premium? It will be nearly 100 or below 100 only. So if you bought many lots at 500 rupees, sometimes it will be below 50 only. So the premium might have very less. So if you buy many lots over there with less premium, what will happen? You will get more lots with a small amount of money and you will get more benefit. On Jan 6th, you can't even imagine, I bought lot many shares with 19 rupees, below 19 rupees price. And you know what? At where it went? It went to 150, 210 as well. So I bought quantity of 3000. You can imagine that how much I would have gained. So use this opportunity whenever it comes. Use this opportunity, but while trying, if you are not having much money to buy, go with the far away. Don't go with more far away. But if it is when it comes to Jan 7th trade, let's say 38,000 was the resistance it facing. It moved up 600 levels. So imagine gap up was there at 37,500, 500, 800. So 300 gap was there. So 30 from 3800 to you can take put option at by decreasing 300 levels or 400 level, 500 levels max. 500 levels one was the cheapest one. 400 little bit premium is more. And as soon as on you know you're reaching the current levels, premium will be more. So if you take far away, premium will be less. If you buy more lots, small move also, 10 points 20 points move also, it makes lot of difference. So hope you guys also use this technique and get benefit from the bank nifty trade. From this I got to know that I want to explain all the gap related stuff in one video. I will come up with one video on this. So guys, please watch my watch next upcoming video on gap trade, and I will be explaining more details over there. So for now I just want to experience my trade. Okay, so and one more thing I want to say here, the biggest mistake we do is, we place at, as I said, we took put option on at resistance level, and it is pulling back. So you guys think that it will pull back furthermore and we will get more money, but never do that, because gap the price gap was there, right? It will act as a good support and it will go back again. So don't try like that. If it is reached a gap support, simply take the profit and come out of it. And there one thing you can do, book the profit, and you took call up, you take the call option, then you will get benefited. Okay, so this is what I am trying to explain you guys. Hope you guys understand at least 10% of my struggle. I just want to explain, but I don't know how many you guys you understand this concept, how many of you guys benefited from this. Hope at least one, if one guy benefited, I'm so happy. Guys, I'm trying, I just started my trading YouTube channel because of intention that I do mistakes, I do great things, but I want to share them across. No, there is no necessity to experience the trade. We can learn from the experience of other guys also, because hard money should not go wasted, right? By experiencing the stuff, if we know techniques from others also, we can use them and we can get benefited, right? So I'm trying to explain mistakes, what worked well, what was not. So hope you guys use this gap up gap down technique and trade, and you will get benefited. So in a day, getting two trading opportunities, three trading opportunities is a very rare scenarios. If we use them if we use them wisely, at least we can crack at least one trade in a proper way. So hope you guys understand. This is what I'm trying to explain. See you guys. If you want to support me, please like and subscribe, so that it will gives me some strength, enthusiasm, some support to make more videos like this. See, I'm spending time by to explain all this and to draw all this and to explain you guys. See, my intention is quite positive, but take this as take the opportunity to support me. I will be sharing more videos, and if you see my old videos, I will be sharing what profit I got and okay, what mistakes I have done and what was worked well, what was not, so that we can experience the trade together, and we'll be try to win the bank nifty trades continuously. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Hope you like the video. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.